Hey family, so I'm going to do like a quick get ready with me kind of chit chat video. I am going on a lunch date today with my on again, off again, on again, off again. I wouldn't really call him like a boyfriend, but like we've had our thing, you know, y'all girls know, we had our thing, and he is in town, and basically he has been begging me to go on a lunch date with him, so I am going to go, in which I don't have that long to get ready, so I'm going to do quick makeup. You all know that I do not do heavy makeup, but I figured I'd do a little video for you all. So yeah, I don't know like about moving to a whole nother state, because he lives in another state, and it's just so complicated. I hate when things are complicated. Ugh. I just hate it. As you all can see though, I have like my eyelash extensions need to be refilled, and I made my appointment for, when did I make it for? I made it for Saturday because, honey, they are grown, like grown. They have grown so much. And you know, the eyelash extensions are on your real eyelashes. So when your real eyelashes grow, these things grow too, and your eyelashes have a cycle. They have a cycle, just like your hair on your head. They fall out, and so when that happens, these extensions also fall out, and yeah, I am like missing some eyelashes. I need to get these refilled ASAP. They say that eyelash extensions make you lose your own eyelashes, but I don't experience that at all. Like, I see my eyelashes. I see them. I gotta get my cleaning in. Oh my gosh, Jessica, I need you. Like, these eyelashes, they're cute, but you can like tell, like, I need to get this refilled. So, I just put on my Fenty primer. See if I can get this makeup done in under 15 minutes. So today I'm gonna use my Kat Von D and my MAC together. As I told you all in a previous video, well, I think I did, I do not like, I am not in love with this Kat Von D foundation. I like their concealers, but their foundation is just no. Just a big no for me. I don't know. It's like too pasty to me. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm just gonna mix it. And yeah, but I don't know. I'm not feeling the whole part of moving to another state just for someone, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Let me go ahead and get this in, get this in, get this in. Just gonna do something really light today. I don't wanna go overboard. It's that like, this Kat Von D got this like pasty, I don't know, I hate it with the passion, but this thing was like a whole bunch of money, so I'm gonna use it. I just know not to buy it ever again. Get one of these. Blend this baby out. I know I'm like an amateur at this makeup stuff, but I do feel like I've been getting a tad better. I've noticed like this makeup stuff, it's not easy. It is not easy. Just like everything else in life, it takes practice.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
This is what I'm using, y'all. Urban Decay. Whew. So I'm gonna put on my outfit and then I'm gonna come back and then do my hair. Oh, hey guys, I am back, and so I had to just go ahead and, you know, throw on my clothes. So last for my look will be my Anastasia Beverly Hills gilded lip gloss, and I'll put that on last. And so last night I co-washed my hair, and I co-washed my hair, I blow dried my hair, and then I had put these in, and we'll see how it goes.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, so all of them are out. Got this like shrink. The shrinkage is like so real with me. Like, look at this. Look how real the shrinkage is, y'all. Look at my hair and look how much it shrinks. Like, that is crazy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. So I'm not a big baby hair person, so I just let it, you know, sit as natural as possible. I'm not a big person on like laying edges and swooping and doing a whole bunch of waves in the front of your head. Like, they're called baby hairs for a reason. I just feel like, you know, you don't want to be looking like some kind of 3-year-old with all those swoops in your head. Like, people literally be doing the most with their baby hairs. But I like the look it gives when it's blow dried before I put the flexi rods, because last time I washed it and, you know, combed it out and put the flexi rods, but like I said, this time I blow dried it. It's looking pretty good. My shrinkage is so real. I love it. 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 Maybe I could do like a... Let me go get a bobby pin. I'll be right back. Laying it there. Now the last part of the look is this. You all, I look so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't stop. I love it. Long hair, don't care. So here's some of that back action for you all. Hope you can see that. I'm such a fool. But all right, so I am gonna go ahead and get out of here. I have just a white t-shirt and some ripped jeans, and I am going to wear these sandals with it. I got those from Lola Boutique. And yeah, I gotta get out of here before I'm here all day. Thank you.